Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to enable or disable iCloud Keychain on iPhone. But as always, before we continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first thing first, you have to open your settings. And now after that, if it is open, you just have to tap on the Apple ID banner at the top here at your name. After that, tap on iCloud option. Now, in this iCloud page, you have to scroll it down and find out the Keychain. Here you are. If you find it, just go ahead now. Here you will see iCloud Keychain option. Currently mine is disabled, and to enable it, just swiping the toggle switch to the right, and yeah, when it's turned green, that means it's enabled. And if you want to disabling again, you just have to do the same way, just swiping the toggle switch to the left until it's changed to the gray again. So yeah guys, just it. I think it's enough. You just have to go back by tap on the undo arrow at the top left, and yeah, just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.